Hi everyone, we are from St. Raphael's Higher Secondary School and we are glad to be a part of ATL Marathon 2019-20. Our team name is Techies.
Myself, Anu Maria Prakash, my team members, Stefania AJ and Jewel Prince. In this ATL Marathon, we choose the team Enhancing Health and Hygiene and the sub-team we selected that Waste Management of Dry and Wet Waste. So, we take our project as Waste Clean Mission. So we start our journey of finding problem relating waste management. Now let's see some survey details. For that, I hand over my presentation to our team member Stefania.
As we all know that in India about 7 million of waste generated in every year. So the waste management is a big problem facing in our country. Past years every waste are deposited in the landfill. After the announcement of Swachh Bharat Mission, every nation adopt the waste management hierarchy. We go through some survey in our school and nearby markets. From the survey, we catch the real problem facing in our school and surrounding. We got the details that the main problem regarding in our school is chocolate wrappers and pickle wrappers thrown out by the students. Cleaning of this waste is very difficult for school authorities. Presently, the authorities burn all the waste together. That means combine all the waste like papers, tiny plastics, chocolate wrappers, pickle wrappers and covers together and it burn. So doing this activity in the daily manner leads to a big problem. That means which leads to air pollution and global warming also. So we plan to do something cost effectively for solving this problem. Then we discussed with our guide and searched some research papers. Then we decided that to build an automatic segregator machine for our waste clean mission. For that we colored some components like microcontroller for controlling all of the system. Here we decided to build a cost-effective project for our mission. So we plan to do the project in a microcontroller. For first, we decided to draw a sketch for that, for building this cost-effective solution. Now let us see our design and working of our project. Presented by our team member Anu Maria Prakash.
Now I am going to explain how our system is working and how designing is done. Waste Clean Mission. Our mission has two parts. First, we segregate the wet and dry waste separately by using the microcontroller and sensors. And the next part is the separation of dry waste into different sections like papers, bottles and tiny plastics like chocolate wrappers and pickle wrappers. So, this is our system model. 3 bins are placed here. One is the main bin and 2 bins are placed on the bottom side. Now, this is the circuit using for first segregation process. We are using the microcontroller Arduino Uno for controlling whole the system. This is the main bin at the top level which collect all the waste. We decided to put this bin at the ground of our school compound, so everyone dump the waste on the main bin. If any of the waste is dumped in it, it will be detected by the IR sensor. If any of the waste is detected by the IR sensor, it will be activated by raindrop sensor to detect whether the waste is wet or dry. If it detects wet waste, then the servo motor activate and then open the valve attached with the main bin, and second servo at the same time will activate for collecting the wet waste. The same manner the dry waste is also happens. If it detects dry waste, the same condition the servo will rotate and then the corresponding basket will placed on the same time. After the collection of the dry and wet waste separately, the next process of segregation is dry waste separation done by the artificial intelligence, and for this We use Raspberry Pi and coding is done in Python. That is, we have to separate tiny plastics, bottles and also some papers in separate bins. For that, we are using here an artificial intelligence. For AI related segregation process, we collect many of the pictures of the waste and make some folders. Then it gives to the pre-training process for identify the system. By this process, the system can identify each and every images in different manner. After the training process, it will go through the testing process. This all are done through the algorithm like TensorFlow and also Keras. After the testing, we got the idea that the system teaches the images and it can identify each item separately. After separating all these items, we decided to make some beautiful craft items and to sell these items also for showcasing as a beautiful product.
In particle, we want to prepare a small system because this project required for school, surrounding and small market places. By this way, we can avoid burning.
We hope that by using this, we can avoid the burning of tiny plastics and tiny wrappers. By this way, we can avoid global warming also. This project is in line with our Prime Minister's vision of Swachh Bharat mission. Jai Hind!